Former chairman of proscribed United National Liberation Front UNLF, R.K. Meighan, returns home after 44 years. People accord him a hero's welcome. 25 stalls, including police control structures, collapses at Manipur Sangai Festival venue at Lamboy, Khongnangkhong. And Union Shipping Ministry approves development of Loktak Inland Waterway Improvement Project in Manipur worth 25.58 crore rupees. A very good evening to you all. I'm Colonel Sambandharam presenting you the primetime English news. Now let's begin our bulletin with the top stories of today. Former chairman of Manipur-based proscribed United National Liberation Front UNLF, R.K. Meighan, was accorded a hero's welcome upon his arrival at Imphal International Airport today. R.K. Meighan returned back to his birthland Manipur after being away for 44 long years. Leaders of various women organizations and many people from across the state welcome him with garlands and cheers. Speaking to media, R.K. Meighan expressed great happiness upon meeting with his folks after a long time. He also expressed his desire to work alongside the people to preserve the deteriorating environmental conditions as an environmentalist. He also assured to work for the welfare of the state.
Simply, I'm overwhelmed. The love, not even my message is the love and trust the people of Manipur repose in me. I always upheld it. I will uphold it in future also. I have given my life for the people of Manipur. I was treated very well. I was rather a guest. Some people wanted that I should not go back to Manipur in a very situation which may take another turn if I go back. Some people thought, but then the people wanted me to come back. So I'm come back now. I have come back now. Thank you very much. Future, my stand has always been with the people of Manipur. Then is still there.
Speaking to media regarding his re-arrest by an intelligence bureau team, R.K. Meighan said that he was barred from entering the state for some time due to fear of facing inconveniences amid the prevailing issues in the state. He asserted that the authorities concerned treated him very well during his short stay. It may be mentioned that National Investigation Agency arrested R.K. Meighan for waging war against the Indian government and kept him at Guwahati Central Jail in 2010. He was released from Guwahati Central Jail on November 9, 2019 and was kept at an undisclosed area in Delhi by an intelligence bureau team following his release.
No, not at all, not at all. I have always maintained that in the jail also many people came from many agencies. I have always told them that I am in the jail, so I am not in a position to talk about negotiations or peace. In a sense, I am an environmentalist. We have to be an environmentalist. As you know, we are facing global warming, climate change. That is the most important a challenge to the human people on earth. We are also facing that problem. So I did a small thing in the jail, created a small space, green space, rock garden, where inmates can enjoy some time. That's what I did. And that's what we should do always, wherever we happen to be and wherever we are.
Former chairman of proscribed United National Liberation Front UNLF, R.K. Meighan, assured to stand with the people of the state in everything. He was speaking at the reception ceremony held at his residence in Moirangkom today. Leaders of various women's organizations of both Hill and Valley attended the event. Speaking on the occasion, Megan said that he will uphold love and solidarity extended by the people. Before arriving at his home, R.K. Megan paid a visit to Kangla and offered prayers at the sacred shrine of Ibudho Nongshaba, Ibudho Pakhangba and Laningtho Sanamahi. He also offered turpan at Chinkai Pond inside Kangla. R.K. Megan also paid floral tribute to the statue of Tikendrajit at Hicham Yaicham Pad in Moirangkom. "25 stalls, including police control structure at Lamboi Kongnang Kong, one of the main venue of the ongoing 10th Sangai Festival organized by Manipur Tourism Department to promote and preserve the tourism of the state, collapsed today. According to Impact News sources, the incident occurred last midnight. No casualty have been reported. Speaking to media regarding the incident, an individual expressed disappointment over the authorities concerned for failing to properly organize the state's biggest festival. He urged the authorities concerned to look into the matter without further delay. Union Ministry of Shipping today gave approval for the development of Loktak Inland Waterway Improvement Project in Manipur under the Controlled Sector Scheme. The estimated cost of the project is 25.58 crore rupees. According to official sources, Loktak Development Authority Chairman Kam Kurai MLA L. Susindro received the approval letter of the project from Ministry of Shipping, IC and Chemicals and Fertilizers Mansukh Mandavia in New Delhi yesterday. Speaking on the occasion, the Ministry for Shipping, IC and Chemicals and Fertilizer Mansukh Mandavia said that Northeast is a beautiful region with its stunning landscape and holds a lot of opportunities for tourism purposes. He said that the project will develop the inland water transport connectivity in Northeast states and give boost to the tourism sector. Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity, Kokumi, in a press release informed that Kokumi will organize a public meeting at Indian Medical Association held in Lumfield at 11 a.m. tomorrow to decide on the next necessary measures regarding Indo-Naga peace talk. Kokumi Assistant Coordinator Jitendra Ningomba appealed public to take part in the meeting without fail. BJP Manipur Pradesh demanded the Congress party to clarify their misleading statement regarding Citizenship Amendment Bill CAB to the public at the earliest. Speaking to media at Lumphilpat, BJP Manipur Pradesh spokesperson CH Bijoy said that Congress party have been demanding the contents included in the CAB 2016 since last 67 years. He asserted that after India got its independence, every Congress leaders have been demanding citizenship for the Hindu, Sikh, Buddhist, Christian, Jain and Parsi in Pakistan and Afghanistan after the partition, stating that Mahatma Gandhi first made the demand during a prayer meeting on September 26, 1947. He declared that Congress party also took the same decisions on November 26th of the same year. C.S. Bijoy recalled that India's first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru also ordered to provide shelter in Assam for the Hindu, Sikh and Christian who entered from Bangladesh, formerly known as East Pakistan, on 18 of May 1947. He further mentioned that Dr. Manmohan Singh also demanded the same while he was serving as the opposition leader of Rajya Sabha on 18th of December 2003. He added that, however, the demands tabled by Congress do not include the Muslim. C.S. Bijoy lambasted the Congress party for terming CAB as communal, which clearly shows that they only strive to gain political mileage.
Cap 2000 da Muslim Jorum da Basina bill se communal oye simakoi yam kan prasar weva. Citizen MMA bill se karidegi horak pano persecuted religious minority of Pakistan, Afghanistan, Bangladesh. Persecuted religious minority haiba terms ki manungda akhoi masan Muslim automatically yaujideva. Hari bilam jigis da moidi minority na te Muslim di majority neva. 1947 ki September dagi hona Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Nehru, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Indira Gandhi na hari ba miwi group che India da citizens biga da bani hayo matamda akhoi Muslim yahon ga dabne chung pan palam deva. Congress na BJP da Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 da Muslim yaw da maram moidina communal way hairagadi Gandhi, Nehru, Indira Gandhi, Shastri, Tarun Gogoi makhoi chi loina communal way haiba chap manaiba.
Social scientist Dr. Dhanavil Laishram has urged every parent to take their children to organic farms for family outing. He was speaking at the inaugural of a newly constructed administrative block of Hefo Organo Valley organized by Radiant Group at Taurem, Kundrakpam today. Dr. Dhanavil Laishram lamented that Manipur imports most of the essential commodities as it cannot produce enough of its own. He lauded Radiant Group for taking the initiatives to make the state self-reliant. Dr. Dhanavil Laishram also called upon youths to take up enterprises instead of waiting for government jobs, stating on the negative impact of chemical fertilizers manufactured by multinational companies. Dr. Dhanavil Laishram urged everyone to support the initiative of Hefo Organo Valley in promoting organic farming in the state.
Koi khunai jidi sathina lukthar hi gumane maramdi pothok haibado koi amata leitram hek nongan bedagi na khoina toothpaste sama pairaga tumam dai boxida sinari pot myamji maximum ma pande ngatne chana thana bo pandagi hingjang na bi bo pande pusala charam masi myamji amungtang kamaina torga masi khaktang production ji large scale the puthokpa horaga khoina sagi degenerated sidagi sustainable the langna ba honna bagi thak sibokta hoji phawadi mi ayam thoi yaudri madugi part amoina sigi valley sembase masima yam interesting nei aduga oibusu ngamne khale masi kamaina ina oibung ngamne na khanjaba noida manipur sidi hotspot biodiversity ani gi taina bada lebini na seasonal adu dana ta ba khoina food forest sembase sateina mai pakada bala mamane.
Speaking on the occasion, Managing Director of Hefo Organo Valley, Nepram Romeo, highlighted on the negative impact of eating imported unsafe foods. He said that the Organic Valley aimed to promote healthy food and healthy life in the state.
ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯨꯀꯔꯗ ꯀꯥꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯗꯤ ꯑꯅꯝꯕꯅꯁꯨ ꯃꯨꯟꯗꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯥꯕꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯕ ꯉꯥꯛꯇ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯣꯛꯏ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯄꯦꯁꯇꯤꯁꯥꯏꯗꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯥ ꯇꯤꯟꯅꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯀꯥꯞꯄꯒ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯦꯜꯊ ꯍꯦꯖꯥꯔꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯥꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯂꯩꯅꯥ ꯇꯤꯟꯅꯥ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯦ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ BP ꯀꯜꯆꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯅꯩꯔꯦ ꯅꯥꯗꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯗꯥꯏꯕꯤꯇꯤꯁ ꯃꯁꯤꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯤꯟꯖꯥꯛꯇꯒꯤ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯐꯨꯗꯇꯒꯤ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯆꯤꯟꯖꯥꯛꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯦꯝꯗꯣꯛꯄ ꯑꯃ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯂꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯔꯦꯗꯤꯌꯟ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯚꯦꯂꯤ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯡꯗꯣꯛꯆꯅꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣই ꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯛꯄꯅꯤ
Goods carrying trucks drivers along Imphal-Jiribam road are facing major inconveniences owing to illegal taxation by all Jiribam Road Transport Drivers Union. Speaking to media in an undisclosed area in Imphal-Jiribam Road today, General Secretary of Old Manipur Drivers Welfare Association, Sanjoy Khetrimayum, said that the union has been collecting not less than 100 rupees by checking the weights of trucks since long time back, taking advantage of the poor condition of Barak Makru and Irang Bridge, which is along the road. He asserted that the union has been collecting money despite the order issued in February declaring not to collect money from the trucks. However, another order was issued on November 20 informing to resume their tax collections. Since then, the union has been collecting huge amount of money from the driver. Sanjoy Khetrimayum urged the authority concerned to look into the matter at the earliest, failing which he warned that the drivers will block Imphal-Jiribam Road.
Manipur da akhoi panbireba BJP government da hanasu bare ahum mari rakhen ain masi tawdana masi gi mari lenaba authority na miyang changbiu haina haiba je phanyam haijagare ngasi phawbota Manipur government gi taraptagi masi gi response amta pibirakte amasung lupa sama lobodu bokta yamalli lobbi ganu masi Manipur gi prajada leiriba pusalaiba pot mayam se season aba ngatani na koidi masi gi thimji yana ma phangi masi chana ajim लाइरबा प्रजा खतंग फंगोना तरा फंगना लेते मन फने बना यामना हारिबा सिगी मथक्सिदा हेंजन्ना लुपा साम लवै महुता ngasiदी लुपा चाहुम लौबा चंवा लौबा यावसले मसी लौबिगनो मसी लौबा खुदक्तगी होन लेपियो मसी लेपिदबा तारगदी तगाई फदरगदी लंबी सिदा चेंजरिबा खोगी ड्राइवर मयांगा मानरगा लंबी जो थिंगबा याबगी खोंजंबो चंजलकनी.
Women vendors of Lamlong Bazaar along with Meira Paibis of Kurai Puthiba Leikai carried out protest demonstration today against planting of bomb at the residence of Yumnam Roheld near Lamlong Bazaar, who is a teacher at NIT Langold. Speaking to media, one protester strongly condemned the incident, which has created fear psychosis among the local residents. He demanded clarification for carrying out such untoward conduct in a residential area. He appealed to whosoever concerned not to repeat such irresponsible act again in future. The protesters urged Porampad police to register a case at the earliest instead of denying the incident. He appealed to the authorities concerned to deploy additional police personnel at Lamlong Bazaar instead of denying the incident, following Chief Minister Nongthoman Biraine's recent declaration that action will be taken up against those police officials on duty in case of any bombed plantation in the respective area.
Masig migi mayum oraga su kaithian mayanina masina karigomba khodong thidana pokhaira mataragadi mi asuki matik sokaneba lambi chappa mi su mayum de leiba mi su loi sokadawri sumaina tawbo thabaksi akoina ngasi dhana khak sumaina masa ma phama tawbino na haini khara le adum ta tarokani si karigino haiba adubu akoigi chief minister na habigi sumaina tawbo jaga da tarogadi police sing do moi tariba kana sing do suspend pine na yam nungai yam chief minister bo khone yam thagasai Tabudabu, Ladiba, Maphamduga, Ladiba, Zagaduga, Loinana, security share, Matik Sana Tambirga, the men of Papa Oiganeva.
A team led by District Food Safety Officer of Churachandpur District U. Arun Kumar along with District Police Churachandpur seized tobacco product from shop and godowns in Churachandpur town today. Tobacco products worth 40,000 rupees and illegally transported product from Myanmar were seized during the drive. The items will be destroyed after obtaining orders from District Magistrate.
Churachandpur market area the leriba dukansingida akoina unsafe food ibadi food expire oiraba food amazung ben items imported items Myanmar de porpa sumba food items amazung tobacco products sigi akoi hagatpagi drive ama sathajabani akoi ngasigi kenosi success hoina akoi logjai akoi masidi tobacco items akoi yamna thamamba godown na thamamba mafam amani su thengnajare aduga retailer shop singdagi soina thanamba dum tobacco products akoi loina collection tawjare.
Well, now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the 48th State-Level Science, Mathematics and Environment Exhibition 2019, organized by Department of Education Est Science Unit. We will be back with details after the break. Until then, keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. Department of Education Est Science Unit under the age of National Council of Educational Research and Training NCERT held 48th State-Level Science, Mathematics and Environment Exhibition 2019 on Science and Technology for Sustainable Development at Tampashana Girl Higher Secondary School campus today. The exhibition will continue till December 1. Speaking at the event, Education Minister Thokchom Radheshyam urged the students to create new innovative ideas and techniques to keep up with the ever-evolving science and technology. Students winners of the exhibition held in journal level are participating in the state-level competition. 5 student winners of the competition will take part in the upcoming Eastern India Science Fair at Kolkata on January 2020. Winners of the Science Fair will be given opportunity to participate in the Jawaharlal Nehru Science, Mathematics and Environment Exhibition 2020.
Any project, any model, anything you conduct, any research, sustainable or sustainable is the magic word for the modern times. Without science, maths and technology, we cannot survive. Technology yauna koi sugi hingmanga maroi. Adana technology si yam munna ne na badakale. Adana akwani yengado basi akwai model semakwana competition na competition if we want to win in the competition, if we want to become the champion there. Other relevant or topic sustainable or area. What about class economic condition when your mind works, our mind works, nothing can stop us. We can do wonders. We are for you and the future is in your hands.
Department of Education Est held one-day seminar on the periodic tables of elements at Tampashana Girls Higher Secondary School today. An exhibition was also held as a part of the seminar. Speaking at the event, Professor of Chemistry, Department of Manipur University, and Raj Mohan said that Manipuris are not only skilled in art and culture and sport, but also in terms of science and technology, as many are currently engaged in world-famed laboratories. He asserted that increase of such intellectual individuals will lead in curbing the various prevailing issues in the state, including rape and drug abuse cases.
Manipur की talent लाइवनी ना काम not only sports and culture and science and technology की field आसो क्या मवांग every country ला every advanced laboratory ला आई हम बा ममिंग चपल laboratory ना कोई मेटे मजा सिंह तब न तब ने account हांगे है मणिपुरी मजा सिंह ना biological science ना क्या work कर रहे अभी space की science ना क्या हम संग सिंह mathematical world क्या हम संग सिले हाई बेसिक की full evidence data photograph लोने ना मोई biodata लोने कोई collection तो रहे सी मैं आम सी पूर्ण में तंदरे बेसी आम we are very proud of being a Manipuri है नहीं है culture and sports ना ते अब ना उसके तंग लाइटा दा रेप केस की प्रॉब्लम की ड्रग की प्रॉब्लम अदु क्या था कि लाउने को ने मैम सिंह कोई ट्रांजिशन पीरियड अमने हने लोवे है मसी लातो खरगा अवांग बथा के लेबोरेटरी दा कुन था मसिंग यापु मतंदा ड्रग की वर्ल्ड से के नाथोगा अपा फबा लेबोरेटरी से कोई चप्पा ngaba नत्र मणिपुर अपा एडवांस रिसर्च सेंटर का लापो ngabadi अकोई मणिपुर सिंह स्पोर्ट्स दा उली बिसमाइना कल्चर उली बिसमाइना साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी के सो एना के ngमने है फुल कॉन्फिडेंस को ले ले
Prescribed Kangleipa Communist Party People's War Grouped Marxist Center in a press release extended heartiest greeting to the people of the state on the occasion of the outfit's third Foundation Day celebration. The press release said that the outfit's member also paid reverence to the deprived people of the state and comrades who are currently in jail during the observance yesterday. Manipur Police Training College in Bangai under National Human Rights Commission, New Delhi, held an annual state-level debate competition at First Manipur Rifle Banquet Hall today. 19 police personnel from the units of various districts took part in the competition held on the theme, Human Rights for Civilians is more important than that of a policeman. 182 Battalion BSF Koiringai under the age of DIZ Headquarter Center Counterinsurgency Operation Manipur organized an inter-village volleyball match in view of its 55th Rising Day celebration at Counterinsurgency Post Moirang Parel today. The match aimed to foster and strengthen ties between BSF and the locals. Molkon teamed back the winners titled, while the Ithamd Youth Club back the runners-up titled. Second in command and Tokchom Vinod, under the supervision of Battalion Commandant Nitin Gupta, also distributed sports item as a part of the battalion's Civic Action Program 2019-20. District Magistrate Thoubal has imposed CRPC 144 at Chingkham Hill Lock area in Thoubal district owing to prevailing problems such as extraction of land and deforestation in the area. The ban will remain in effect until further notice. Now to sports news. Arrangements are all set for the semi-final matches of the ongoing 7 state-level Senior Men's Hockey Championship. In the last league match played at Astro Turf Hockey Stadium in Kumalam Park Sports Complex today, Hockey Union Lariembam Laikai defeated Seyo Singjamei Wangma Ketrilaikai by 8-4. For the winner, Ricky scored 3 goals while Robinson scored 2 goals and Pritam Vidyananda and Somikanta scored 1 goal each. For the losing team, Santakumar scored 2 goals while Helmet and Dinku scored 1 goal each. 6 teams coming from various parts of the state divided into 2 groups are competing in the Senior Men's Hockey Championship organized by Manipur Hockey. SUYC Uchekond Kuno will play against SEYO Singjamei Wangma Ketrilaikai and Hockey Union Lariembam Laikai will lock horns with YCCIC Kontha Ahalub in the first and second semi-final matches of the championship tomorrow.
Handaki sahijida club khudimak aduga club ki member khudimak participate player khudimak aikoi hockey India da nong loinamak website ta kaida thadana sumna player list iri daga aikoina participate salambadu handaki sahida ki club ki email address na singba loinamak hockey India lai koi thabagi program handaki haurabanina masesta aikoina thabda yaugidaba player se heng national championship ta participate tawba kanda madu khudong chadaba laigini.
Myanmar women football teams, including 52 individuals, reached Moreh today to participate in the ongoing 10th Sangai Festival at Manipur. A team led by coordinator of Act East Policy, Sivadatta, received the 2 Myanmar women player team and the officials at Moreh Trade Center. Manipur government invited the 2 Myanmar women players teamed to participate in the annual festival held under Act East Policy and to maintain cordial relations with the Southeast Asian countries. Speaking on the sideline, Sivadatta said that the exhibition match will be held as part of the state government's calendar programmed. The women football players of Myanmar are reportedly from the Sagaing State and Mandalay Division. Team leaders of Myanmar Mandalay Division, Kakching Tabam B. Gopal Sharma, expressed gratitude to the state government for letting the Manipuri diaspora in Mandalay participate in the festival.
This is the third Indo-Myanmar women football exhibition match. Regarding this football exhibition, I want to express that this is part of the Aegis Policy Committee, which was formed just after our Honorable Chief Minister, Sri N. Biren Singh, has took over the charge of Chief Minister, and with under the dynamic leadership of R.K. Shivachandra, which he has been dealing to bring a good relationship with Indo-Myanmar. We are trying our best level to bring a good relation between India and Myanmar.
Football players of Myanmar's men and women football team who arrived to participate in the ongoing 10th Sangai Festival were warmly welcomed at Kakching Lamkhai today. MLA of Kakching constituency Y. Sur Chandra, along with joint non-government voluntary organization, All Kakching Students Union, Kakching Lamkhai Business Welfare Board and Manipur State Cooperative Bank, Kakching Branch, organized the event. Chairman of Kakching Municipal Council and Sanjit Kumar was among those present at the event. Selection trials for Manipur team to participate in the upcoming 72nd Men and 35th Women's Senior National Weightlifting Championship 2020 will be held at Sports Authority of India, SAG Hold, Kumalam Park on 14th of December. The championship will be held at Kolkata on July 2020. Well, that's all we have in this bulletin, but before we wind up, let's take a glimpse at the headlines once again. Former chairman of proscribed United National Liberation Front UNLF, R.K. Meghand, returned home after 44 years. People accorded him a hero's welcome. 25 stalls, including police-controlled structures, collapsed at Manipur Sangai Festival venue at Lamboy Kongnangkong. And Union Seeping Ministry approves development of Loktag Inland Waterway Improvement Project in Manipur worth 25.58 crore rupees.